It is a gift to have a silky, shiny hair. Silky hair keep moisture in and prevent water loss. If you wish to have a silky hair, you need to follow natural hair care for a silky hair. Today, we will be giving you DIY silky hair treatments. Let's get started. First, wash your hair nicely with a herbal shampoo. Today, I will be giving you 3 silky hair masks. First one, you have to take half cup of cold pressed coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix these 3 combinations together and make a nice paste. Then apply on your hair, leave it for 1 hour and wash off with cold water. Second remedy, take half cup of olive oil, 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix all combinations together and make a nice paste. And apply on your hair, leave it for 1 hour and wash off with cold water. Third remedy, take 1 cup of curry leaf extracts and 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix these 3 combinations together. Mix it very well and apply on your hair and head. Leave it for 1 hour and wash off with cold water. After 1 hour, wash off with cold water and you have to apply a herbal conditioner. Use this hair mask once in a week. Along with your hair care treatment, follow these simple 6 steps together. First tip, when you wash your hair too often, you strip the natural oils from your hair and scalp. So wash every second or even better, every 3rd day. Second step, after washing your hair, don't vigorously rub with a towel. Blot it dry with an old, light cotton cloth. Third step, avoid sulfate-containing shampoos. Fourth step, protect your hair from hot hair drying and sun's UV rays. Tip number 5, use a satin pillowcase. Unlike cotton pillowcases, satin pillowcases will help your tresses smooth and hold. Tip number 6, if you want to have your locks glossy and shiny, you want to eat well. Fresh fruits and vegetables like papaya, carrots, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, melon, guava and spinach will help to increase vitamin A, which encourage soft and shiny hair. Eat more zinc-containing foods, oysters, red meat, poultry, cashew, chickpeas and oats. Healthy fats come from food sources such as salmon, nuts, seed and cold-pressed oils. And you have to drink plenty of water to avoid dry and unhealthy scalp. Rather than wasting your time and money going for frequent salon visits, follow these natural treatments and easy tips to have a silky, shiny hair. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Please click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos. Ayurveda, beauty and yoga. Thank you for watching.